Way my people, it don't happen again, it don't bust. Not be small matter, my people. As I cross this one, I was choctolize. Not be small matter, not be small gbas. I know say most of una know this prophet David Yahweh. My people, make una carry una jukote sit down, come listen to this one. Only my ear no fit hear this one finish. I choke for this one, not be small thing. Prophet David Yahweh, he don't call Ebuka Obi come out to my people. No be small matter. They say wahala be like bicycle, no be small thing. No. He say who give Ebuka Obi money when you used to buy cars, give him members. No be small thing. No. Say na government na they sponsor Ebuka Obi and the Reverend Father Mbaka. My people, not be small thing. No. As I cross this one, I was choctolize. Not be small matter. May not come be say I too talk for inside this video. Make una hear am for the horses smart, not be small thing.
I na afa na egosigo ndị ọcha. Mo ya amama ịwọta. Egosigo ndị ọsọ ndị ọcha ka amama ịwọta. Ị ga na idu asigo mo kite mo ka wele ya amama ịwọta ya foreign angels abụrụ Igbo tradition. So Ebuka Obi and Akwa Okuku, they are worshiping the same God, the same Malay, nothing different. The only difference is that na onye abịa na onye ngwuru ka so na-claim na worship God. Ọ na-ebe ekpere oje bie the woman aka. Onwe nke watch online, ọ na-ebe ekpere oje bie the woman aka. Ka ị na-ebili the woman, is it the woman God or what? A whole evangelist like you, a whole Ebuka Obi like you, with your own knowledge, you na-ebe ekpere ị ga-bie the woman, ị na-ekwu bie the woman aka na ahịa aka. That's where your power is coming from. You cannot deceive everybody, we know that. Because Bible says, I am a jealous God. That's to prove to you you're not serving God. What you're serving is in Bahrain. So tell us this your church is for queen of heaven. Don't be calling God. Don't be calling God of Abraham. Don't come and deceive us. The Bible you're using is not meant for Roman Catholic. It's for people of Sabbath, people of Jews. Because of people are not wise. Bible says people perish for lack of knowledge. Because because of lack of knowledge, God said, you have rejected the truth, I will reject you. You have rejected the word of God, I will reject you. Hosea 4 verse 6, read it. Forget the crowd, that is not what to do. Bible says the last days, the angel of darkness will claim to be angel of light. Get it? Have disobeyed Almighty Yahweh. You have disobeyed God, you're worshiping Satan. Because the Bible says, obedience is more than sacrifice. The Bible says, do not more than anything. Do not more. Now you're making Mary more stronger than God. You're not even molding the God that created heaven and earth. You're honoring Mary. What about the God that created the world? You're not honoring the person. If we are now we are a pork. Oh, now never Allison. Iga umaro shi onwachi mama water nke ya nwa ọ na-aga ọ nakata ogbori ọkọ gbo ya nwa dissenting ba na Ebuka Obi na mama water na Ebuka Obi na mama water nke ya na akụkọ ya so o nwere ihe dị iche the only thing different no na oji Chineke na deceive ndị mmadụ na use Bible abi but Bible iga ọra bụ na ego Bible iga ama na Bible can never be deceived ya na Mbaka bụ kwa ya Holy Sacrament. Gịnị mere with this whole so almighty powers? Ama m ndị ọkọt ha na-enwe ya ọbụrụ ọnụ na onye ọkọt na-asị nọ na-aga anata oriri abịa sị na bụ today the sea church na ha na-aga anata oriri na nwere Holy Sacrament nọ na-aga na onye ọkọt na-egbu mmadụ na-asị nọ na-aga anata oriri witchcraft na-asị nọ na-aga anata oriri ịbịa kọmante si ị na-aga ụka anya mepee this Mary na ị na-afụ na n'anya na ihe afụ dị agwa n'ebe a na-abụ dị who the woman is dragon na ya ba gịnị ka agwa na onye nwa bụ Chineke conquer the world ka onye nwa bụ God conquer the world kedu ihe ọ chọrọ agwa ọ chọrọ na-akpa na bụ hụ onye ọ bụ na the name of the spirit na-ebe na-esi dị agwụ dragon ọ ya dị isi abụ this woman gịnị na bụ deception of serpent deception so I were the agwọ turn on your side down ọsọ dị na ana the agwọ kwesịrị ịnọ ọha body join ha symbol ihe awọ cut deception onye ji ewepụta this thing na maka ndị na-adasị na ha fụchara the post made last time now when Ebuka Obi does not collect money. Now again, occultic people and the politicians and the Mbaka as one sponsoring Ebuka Obi again. Ebuka Obi give 3 cards to people. I'm not against it. It was fantastic. Everyone had no money. Okay, Joe Moya, Ebo Sumote go to Ebi and the mother moto. Kedebe so wote go ju ego. Kedu onye bụ this Mary? Ebuka Obi kọwala because Mary belong to Sabbath. Doesn't belong to the Vatican City. It doesn't belong to Rome. So here a simple question. Ebuka Obi, why are you mother of Mary? He cannot teach me about mother of Mary. No. You're a Catholic. Catholic cannot teach us about the Bible. Yes, he can't teach me about Bible. Our Bible, God will give it to me, people of Jew. Jew in the Bible. You're not going to go Bible. Reverend Father got challenge. That's why Bible only use Bible on the Sabbath. So you're a criminal by carrying Bible of the Holy Bible. Turn on your side down. Ibo only put on you. Bible God in the Sabbath. Turn on ya. We're now watching the demon. You are a very, very criminal and the evil and the occultic and thieves. For you to carry our mother, Mary, Maria, not even Mary, change her to become idol in the house of God. When God said, do not worship any other thing. This Bible was given to people. Somebody asked me, are you a Jewish or are you a Judaism? This Bible is for Judaism people. It's for Sabbath people. It's for Jewish people. It's not for Christianity people. Christianity people have no foundation. They have no Bible. So I'm a Christian. I'm also a Jewish. So I understand because Bible have Old Testament and New Testament. So if you don't believe in Jewish, you cannot be a Christian. Because Jesus you're calling belong to Jewish. Mary you're calling belong to Jewish. They are all Judaism. They all of them keep Sabbath. Till today in Israel, they are keeping Sabbath. This thing is called Tiwara. Tiwara, I made a translation. Change it. We put the name of God inside. We put the name of the holy name or Yahweh, Jehovah, Eshadai. I am that I am means Yahweh. That's my name. The name of Yeshua is me. Jesus means Yeshua. Ordinary Bible, if you go to truly for the name, it call the Hebrew name. The new name of Mary is Mariam. Good news, sweet. Have I changed it to what? To Mary. Mary Bogene, bitter sea. If any. So in the Okifabo, Anya Bible say, do not eat with the devil. Separate yourself from the what occultic, but it doesn't look at that. Some even native doctors are better than church. I will not lie. Some traditional people are better than people that say they are worshiping God because King Ejedu Nuka, Emmanuel no been occult, they will go to. But when they moment at Kahuma, or man on a book chineke, about when they got wog, about when they get fathers, about when they get from my water, about when they get more kitten. Or you have book chineke creating with with national something with water or with orgy or with this thing. Okay, in a joker, Aaron Manana totally, non occult, none of witchcraft. They won't do money. Hide their under shade. Ida nego. In a remote to put in the Madonna. Evangelist, you're not even you're the bishop or something. You know, go tell the money. Tell us the truth. Don't come and say, oh, schools and here I'm gonna go before. No, no court and sponsor. No court to sponsor. Hachon de when we have a good church. In the talk and now you have no foundation. The Bible you use is for Sabbath people. And if you go to Israel today, how they keep Sabbath, you're not keeping it. The Mary you claim to be your mother is not from a Roman. So that Mary you claim to is a lie. You're deceiving people. You're a false. So you're going to open them now twice because Roman Mary belongs to people of Sabbath. Mother of Yeshua. Mother of Jesus. Where is he from? He's a black woman. Jesus is a black woman. How Jesus is Ndibo. Because Ndibo is from Israel. Mary Mama Ndibo, Mama Africa. Also from Israel. So God check everywhere. Go to your phone, go keep free and now. Anyasa. I want to buy Akwa because if I cry, they did there. And I miracle. And who miracle help? Yes, we know for signs and wonder will carry the power, the prophetic power. But that's not the thing. God said they will perform signs and wonders. That's not the qualification that He showed that you. Anybody who go against the word of God is serving demon. Everybody who made anything like a statue is serving demon. God said, do not make any grave image in likeness of anything in the world or heaven or above. Do not bow down to them. Mother be kiss here, it's not your mother. Kiss here, demon. Not hair. You're not even reading the word of God and pointing to the word of God. You're giving people faith. They carry one nonsense. Well, before I born the rosary, God revealed a lot of things to me. I see how the occultic people kill. You get one from Calabar, Night of St. John. They collected the destiny of a little girl and give to their own son and daughters. When they were destined at half. So now we go tell you about Jesus, not you. European can tell me about Jesus. I am too spiritual to follow Mumu, Reverend Father, and the evangelist to hellfire. Una potezina no man na ọkụ mmụọ. Ka a na-ekwu nke arụdụ n'omenala ka a na-ekwu nke na chọọchị. Nke na chọọchị ka. Onye jegodo chọọchị olu chọọchị ọ na-anọta ọnwụọ. Gịnị na-egbufa? Na-ejigo ha atụ ụtụ n'ụlọ ụka. The Lisha will be getting Lisha. Now, good name offer a single day, then they collect money. You put away emergency there, what I told you. What your destiny, a big man, Hanacha. I've come to expose, to Buddha, to tear down the powers of darkness. This end time prophetic movement. At least you can do Okaramaro means half man, half spirit. The Holy Spirit is in me, the angel on earth. You know, channel song, a piano jaja.